students, good morning, welcome to the class. In the last class we are discussing about what is business risk and what are all the natures of business risk. Yes, what is business risk? Business risk refers to possibilities of inadequate profit and even losses due to unexpected events and uncertainties. Due to uncertainties and unexpected events, the business occurs loss and inadequate profits. Okay. So, in this class, we are going to discussing about what are all the causes of business risk. What are the reasons for business risk? We are know about business risk is an inadequate profit and losses due to uncertainties and unexpected event. So, for that uncertainties and unexpected events, what are all the causes? We know about what are all the causes for business risk. So in every business, varieties of causes for business risk. Commonly, here some causes are there. First one is natural causes. First one is natural causes. From the natural causes leads to business risk. Human being not fully control over natural calamities. Natural calamities like flood, earthquake, heavy rainfall, etc. So, ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲಾಮಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಗೋದನ್ನ ತಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಲಿಟ್ಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದೇ ಹೊರತು ಅವನು ಪೂರ್ಣ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲಾಮಿಟೀಸ್ನ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಂತೂ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲಾಮಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರವಾಹ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಭೂಕಂಪ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಬರಗಾಲ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲಾಮಿಟೀಸ್ನ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಲಿಟ್ಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, fully he can't control. So what all the natural calamities occurs on that time, heavy loss on life, property, materials and income of the business. So ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರವಾಹ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಬರಗಾಲ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಪಾಯ್ಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮಿಷನರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ರಿಸ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ದ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲಾಮಿಟಿ. Then human causes. Human causes includes unexpected event of human being in a business. What are the unexpected events of human being in a business? Like dishonesty, carelessness and management inefficiency, strikes, stoppage of work due to power failure, and then negligence of an employee to do the work. So in an employee of an organization or a business, he is a neglect to do his work, he is a carelessness, he is a dishonesty and do some strikes. Why the laborers or human resources do strike? Because of to increase the salary or wages or any other facilities given by the organization or business. They are do strikes. On that time strike period, there is no productivity in an organization or business. In that time, business leads to risk of loss. There is no production. On that time, there is no profit to the business. It leads to risk of business. And then, when the shortage of power, the human beings are simply sit in the organization because there is no work. Without power, we can't run a machineries. On that time, human resources are simply sit in an organization. At that time, there is no production. When there is no production, we can't supply any products to customer. So on that time, we can't get any productive activity. So that leads to business risk. Okay. Then third cause is economical cause. Economical cause. Economical causes. So economical causes leads to demand and supply of goods and services, price, competition, then collection used from customers, change in technology, method of production, interest rate of borrowing, levy higher taxes, etc. So, economical causes, what are the economical causes leads to business risk? First one is demand and supply of goods. If demand decreases in the market, so ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋ ವೈ ದ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ change the taste and preferences of customer. When the taste and preferences of the customer is changes, our product demand is decreased. When the demand is decreased, sales also decrease. When sales decrease, there is no profit, risk of loss. Okay, so that's why demand leads to business risk. Okay, then competition. When the similar product producers entered into market and the same similar products producer given more benefits and added more features for that, customer attracted for that product, and if that competitor given products for less price, the customer move on to that product. On that time also we are facing risk of loss. Okay, then government policies like taxation policy or any other social responsibilities policies, anything, if they are implemented, that is also leads to business risk. So if government impose heavy taxes on our product, for our product, it leads to business risk. Okay, then technology, changes in technology is also a business risk. How we are using a old technology, suddenly in the market new technology is entered. On that time, what we have produced earlier, that all, for that product there is no demand. Because, getting one example, we are all using 4G mobile sets. Suddenly 5G enters to market, 5G mobiles and 5G network are enter to the market. and the time customers are attracted and move on to 5G network. But our company already produce 4G network mobiles and mobiles, and that time there is no sales our product because customer move on to another technology, and that time it leads to risk of loss. Okay. Technology is also one example for economic cause. Then supply of raw material. Supply of raw material is also one cause in economical cause for leading business risk. So when raw material shortage in the market, and that time a businessman or producer given more price to that raw material and purchase that, and that time price is increase. When price is increased, demand is decreased. When demand is decreased, sales is decreased. When sales decrease, it occurs loss. Okay. Yes. Next cause is other causes. Other causes. So these are unexpected events like fluctuation of exchange rate, disturbance of political parties, political disturbance, and mechanical failures such as bursting of boiler. When bursting a boiler, it leads to business risk. So, in exchange rate fluctuations and political disturbance, some policies implementation and abolition of some policies, that leads to business risk. Okay, these are all the causes of business risk. First one is natural risk. In natural risk, a human being little control over the natural calamities. Natural calamities like flood, earthquake, and heavy rainfall, etc. So, in that heavy loss on life, property, and income of the business. Then human causes leads to unexpected event of human being like dishonesty, carelessness, negligence, and inefficiency of management, strike, etc. These are all leads to business risk. Then economical causes. Economical causes like demand and supply of goods, changes in technology, changes taste and preferences of customer, then taxation policies, then competition. This all leads to business risk. Then other causes. Other causes like mechanical failure, bursting of boiler, political disturbance, and then exchange rate fluctuations are called other causes. These are all the causes leads to business risk. Okay, thank you.